had an answer, and now you put me off.
I highly recommend having kids if you want to be an actor.
This question is impossible for a guy to answer correctly.
Également avec nous l'équipe Stanfield. Ils sont accompagnés de l'équipe de production Justine, Siaroki, Molly Smith.
Je vois pas, il y a un monsieur comme par hasard en plein milieu.
Etienne, il va. Oui, non mais vraiment.
I mean, obviously, as a mother, it was really hard to kind of separate what I would do as opposed to what she would do, you know, and it was just heartbreaking. When I first read the book, it was just such a devastating but powerful. Lynn said it was dreamlike. I had just had my firstborn, and there's not really anything like postpartum. It's extremely isolating, which is so interesting when Lynn, you know, moves this couple into Montana. You know, she doesn't have a community. She doesn't have her people. But the truth is, extreme anxiety and extreme depression is isolating. No matter where you are, you feel like an alien, and so it deeply moved me. I've wanted to work with Lynn Ramsey since I saw Ratcatcher, and I was just like, there's no way. I mean, but we took a chance and we sent it to her, and I really cannot believe that I'm here with you, and this has happened.
Huitième présence en compétition pour la réalisatrice britannique. Elle est venue de ses premiers courts-métrages, Smallness, prix du jury, pour encore le challenge.
Having children changes everything. It changes your whole life. It's brutal and incredible. And so not only do they go into every decision of, you know, if I'm working, where I'm working, when I'm working, they've taught me, I mean, I didn't know that I could feel so much, and my job has a lot to do with emotion, and they've opened up the world to me. It's almost like feeling like a blister or something, like so sensitive. So they've changed my life, obviously, for the best, and they've changed me creatively. I highly recommend having kids if you want to be an actor.
I think in the most unexpected ways, having a baby gives you the biggest trove of energy and inspiration afterwards. Because you think you're going to have to.
Energy?
It's a different kind of energy. This question is impossible for a guy to answer correctly. Like, it's literally just like what Jennifer said. I'm here just to support. Yeah, no, I've definitely, I don't know. Ever since she was born, I'm just like, it's reinvigorated my the way I approach work, and yeah, it's kind of you're a completely different person the next day.
The day before our first day, Lynn showed Rob and I a scene from If. And it was, these actors and they're attacking each other like tigers. And we're like, well, okay, yeah, And she was like, and you'll do it naked, yeah? And we were like, oh, okay. And then that was the first day on set. So that's my answer.
La présidente du Festival de Cannes. L'équipe de Time and Love sur les marches du Palais. Film de Lynn Ramsey présenté en et le chaleureux du public cannois pour le retour de Robert Pattinson, Lady Stanfield. C'était un dernier regard sur la croisette et c'est le dernier film en compétition de la journée, mais pas le dernier film. Séance de minuit tout à l'heure.
You're
Take
so
that,
good at
Robert.
I
answering
know,
questions.
oh my God.
Jesus Christ. I don't know.
Just turn your microphone on.
Translation? I think, I don't know.
The fight scene with the dialogue, because you have a horrible memory. What? I'm helping you. Was that not nice?
I had an answer. Now you put me off.